to impress your friends and family on piano. You're going to play this pattern 3 times. 3, 3, 4, 3, 2 times. Third time. And the fourth time you're going to go 3, 2, 3, 4. That's the first set. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to play 3, 1. You're going to play 4 sets of 4. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to play 3, 2, 1. 4 sets of 4. Left hand's going to play F sharp, A, C sharp, D. You can play them one at a time or you can play them doubled like I just did. Together they sound like this.